Canada 150, celebrating the Intercolonial Railway. Canada's first Prime Minister, Sir John A. Macdonald, made the completion of a railway linking the colonies of British North America a condition of Confederation. The Department of Public Works was created with a mandate that included transportation infrastructure for the canals and railways. Infrastructure that would allow Canadians to travel even in winter weather. The Intercolonial Railway was built, linking communities across the Maritimes and Quebec, and was officially inaugurated in 1876. The completion of the railway led to population growth, increased infrastructure and industrial development from Montreal to Halifax. Throughout the First and Second World Wars, the Intercolonial Railway was used to transport civilians, military personnel and equipment to Halifax. Today, Via Rail's passenger service, the Ocean, travels between Montreal and Halifax along the same route and maintains a historic link to the heritage of Canada's rail history.